Good afternoon. It is October the 6th, 2016. Time to recap our trading in the E-mini today. We came in hoping to sell the 53, 55 area. We lowered that to 50 to 52, and that gave us one trade on the opening. Our buy was 45 to 47, and that gave us one good trade. We had news that kicked into the market that the EU would not be tapering its quantitative easing program, and that's what took us up. But you can see it's just really tough trading. So mean green trade right here, based on the idea, the level, the research, and the rest of it was the trade of the day, and that was good for 4 points if you traded perfectly. Here all the way through, it was just chop. One more trade here, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attempts to go higher, the 7th trade actually produced 2 to 3 points. The news hits, get a couple here, and then the market flatlines again. So this is just like summer trading. Getting short or long on the opening and riding it out is your best shots that you have at making some money on the trade. We don't have a two-sided market. The market's not allowed to sell. People don't trust the short side. Because of that, it's really kills the volatility on most days. Difficult contract to trade. Probably won't get any better until after the elections. Inside day, that's trading range. Tomorrow is a news day trade. Looking at the F2 screen. Double distribution, basically a trading range. And that's where we saw the market today because of tomorrow's non-farm payroll numbers. 168 on Econo Day. Non-farm payrolls, 4.9. Hourly earnings, plus 0.3. That's hard to believe. Work week, 34.4. Baker Hughes rig count, 684. That's last week's. Baker Hughes rig count can go up. The market's focus, unemployment, and the non-farm payroll rate. So, know the news and you have the trade. It's pretty darn simple. If the market were to close right here, and if we didn't have news, we're selling 55, 57, sell 1, and then 60 to 62, sell 2. On the buy side, 45, 47, buy 1, 40, 42, buy 2. And we were guessing this morning that we might close the market at the 21.53 level. It looks like that was a pretty good guess, given where we're traded right now. Looking at the F1 screen on the note, and everybody said, "Why do you don't trade the note during the day?" Well, it's where the hedge is. It's where the volume is. So that's where you get your best read on the market. Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. Looking at the F2 screen, definitely a B, working lower. Newsday trades, so a little bit lower in London, 25, 29, buy 1. Buy 2, 17 to 21. On the sell side, 30 to 04, sell 1, and then 7 to 11, sell 2. Knob spread has just been ripped. Looking at the 30-year. Last rotate up, stopped in the 65.10, so 8 to 12 is 1. 15 to 19, sell 1. Sell 2, 27 to 31. It's a newsday trade. Support is 28 to the buck. Buy 1, 17 to 21. Buy 2, 5 to 9. Gold stops below 1250. Get through that. 1235 is the next stop. And we get this high volume number at 37. Stops below 50. Would pick it up right here. This area right there. And so 35 to 40 looks like probably our best support when we get through that. 1202. So this screen says find a place to sell gold. Definitely a weak finish. Really concentrated selling. So stops below 50, 49 to 51 buy 1. 44, 46 buy 2. On the sell side, 55, 50, let's make it 58 to 60. Sell 1, maybe some short covering. People lose their nerve. That's 64, 66. Okay, crude. We got a pretty strong close. It did dump on that 1421, 1424 bar, but again, that's not. We play a higher low, higher high. Pretty strong close right here, so I don't see any reason for the market not to trade higher. Same situation. Definitely dealing with a P. Strong. So 50-50, 50-75, sell 1. 51 even, 51 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 50 and a quarter, 50 even, buy 1. And then 49, 50, 49, 75, buy 2. Okay, failure to take it higher tomorrow, end of the week profit taking, so we need to trade higher tomorrow. We should see some selling. But I'd look for us to be higher in London, then come in the morning if we can't take out the London high. Then we'd look for some profit taking. Okay, looking at the euro. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. So we finally got stops below that low right there. 1150 buy 1. This one, it's a newsday trade for this one too. Huge reaction off our unemployment numbers. And 1125 buy 2. On the sell side, we're at 75 right now, so 90 to the buck, sell 1. 15 to 25, sell 2. That's it for this October 6th, 2016. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening.